In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book 2 reservations on Opentable. To get started, open Opentable on your device. You can do this either through the website in your browser or by using the Opentable app, depending on what's most convenient for you. Once you're on the platform, go ahead and log into your account. Signing in is important here because your reservations need to be saved under your profile so you can review and manage them later. After you're logged in, it's time to book the first reservation. Start by searching for the restaurant you want. You can type in the restaurant name directly or browse based on location if needed. Once you've found the place you want, select the date, the time, and the party size for that reservation. Be careful to choose the correct details before moving forward, especially the time, since you'll be creating a second booking afterward. When everything looks right, tap Reserve to confirm the first reservation. As soon as that first booking is complete, return to the home or search page. The goal here is simply to get back to the main area where you can begin a new search. This step is important because your second reservation is made separately, just like the first one. Now book the second reservation by repeating the search process. You can choose the same restaurant again if that's what you need, or select a different restaurant. When entering the details for the second reservation, make sure you choose a different time. This helps avoid overlap and ensures both bookings are accepted properly. Just like before, confirm the date, time, and party size, then tap Reserve again to complete the second booking. Once both reservations have been made, the final step is to confirm that they were saved correctly. Go to the My Reservations section in Opentable and review your upcoming bookings. You should see both reservations listed there. This is the easiest way to make sure everything went through successfully and that both reservation times are correct. A quick tip before you finish. Take a moment to double-check the dates and times for each reservation so there's no confusion later. If both appear in My Reservations, then you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully booked 2 reservations on Opentable.